Phycomycetes. Members of phycomycetes are found in aquatic habitats and on decaying wood in moist and damp places or as obligate parasites on plants. So obligate का मतलब होता है must, ठीक है. The mycelium is aseptate, मतलब कि बहुत सारे न्यूक्लियस एंड सीनोसिटिक. Asexual reproduction takes place by zoospores जो कि मोटाइल होते हैं और बाय इप्लेनोस्पोर्स जो कि नॉन मोटाइल होते हैं. यहाँ पे हमने जूस्पोर्स का स्ट्रक्चर देखा था जो क्या है, जिनके पीछे एक फ्लेजला लाइक स्ट्रक्चर है, तो इसलिए मोटाइल है. दीज स्पोर्स आर एंडोजीनियसली प्रोड्यूस्ड इन स्पोरेंजियम. A zygospore is formed by the fusion of two gametes. These gametes are similar in morphology, isogamous or dissimilar, anisogamous or oogamous. Some common examples are Mucor, Rhizopus, the bread mold mentioned earlier, and Albugo, the parasitic fungi on mustard. Ascomycetes, commonly known as sac fungi, the ascomycetes are mostly multicellular. Example Penicillium, or rarely unicellular. Example yeast, Saccharomyces. They are saprophytic, decomposers, parasitic और coprophilous, जो कि क्या होता है, जिसका मतलब कि growing on dung. Mycelium is branched and septate. The asexual spores are conidia, produced exogenously on the special mycelium called conidiophores. Conidia on germination produce mycelium. Sexual spores are called ascospores, which are produced endogenously in sac-like asci, singular ascis. These asci are arranged in different types of fruiting bodies called ascocarps. Some examples are Aspergillus, Claviceps, and Neurospora. Neurospora is used extensively in biochemical and genetic work. Many members like morels and truffles are edible and considered delicacies. Basidiomycetes. Commonly known forms of basidiomycetes are mushrooms, bracket fungi or puffballs. They grow in soil, on logs and tree stumps and in living plant bodies as parasites. Example rust and smuts. The mycelium is branched and septate. The asexual spores are generally not found, but vegetative reproduction by fragmentation is common. The sex organs are absent, but plasmogamy is brought about by fusion of two vegetative or somatic cells of different strains or genotypes. The resultant structure is dikaryotic, which ultimately gives rise to basidium. Karyogamy and meiosis takes place in basidium, producing 4 basidiospores. The basidiospores are exogenously produced on the basidium. The basidia are arranged in fruiting bodies called basidiocarps. Some common members are agaricus, mushroom, Utilago, smut, and Puccinia, rust fungus. Deuteromycetes, commonly known as imperfect fungi because only the asexual or vegetative phases of these fungi are known. When the sexual forms of these fungi were discovered, they were moved into classes they directly belong to. It is also possible that the asexual and vegetative stage have been given one name and placed under Deuteromycetes, and the sexual stage another and placed under another class. Later, when the linkages were established, the fungi were correctly identified and moved out of Deuteromycetes. One perfect sexual stages of members of Deuteromycetes were discovered, they were often moved to Ascomycetes and Basidiomycetes. The Deuteromycetes reproduced only by asexual spores known as conidia. The mycelium is septate and branched. Some members are saprophytes or parasites, while a large number of them are decomposers of litter and help in mineral cycles. Some examples are Alternaria, Caletotrichum and Trichoderma. इसकी ट्रिक है, कैट से आप याद कर सकते हो. Caletotrichum A से है Alternaria and T से है Trichoderma. Thank you.